Folks and friends, the words that we use and the things that we say shape our very lives, our futures, our destinies, our paths, whatever you call it, whatever you decide to call it. Here's what's important. I had a nephew named Donovan, and he said for the majority of his life that he was going to die young, and he did. The thing is, if we say life is short, it's going to be short. My argument in this particular video is that life is the longest thing that you will ever consciously experience. That's something to note, because on a day-to-day actions, I hear and see people very frequently, and oftentimes they will say, life is short, man, do this, or hey, life is short, do this. Is life short? I don't think it is. I think it's an incredibly long thing, right? The words and the phrases that we use will create our lives. If we say and think and believe that life is short, then it will be. If we say life is an adventure, then it will be. If we say life is hard and arduous and frustrating, then it will be. If we believe that life is long and abundant and filled with merriment, happiness, joy, love, prosperity, and abundance, my friends, it will be. So that's my challenge to you. For the next few days, weeks, months, or years, if you would like to, stop saying life is short and instead say something different. Say something empowering about life. Give your all to that message and to your statement and grow abundantly. Thanks so much for watching. You rock. And until next time, love, live, learn. Bye.